guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add more than one video transitions to your videos on CapCut PC. So as you can see, I have two videos here and I want to add more than one. So I'm just going to firstly add in my first video transition, and I'm going to place this line here in between those videos, and I want to make sure I keep that line there. Select these videos, right click, create compound clip, and you're going to want to split it again in half. Then you're going to add in your second video transition, and this is what it should look like. Then you'll have two video transition at once. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.